after the construction is done, then the next important thing is writing of steps. In writing of steps of construction, we just show how we made the figure, what we did first, what we did next. That's all what we have to do. So let's see how to write the steps. So in this figure we'll write step number 1. The first step was that we draw a line AB is equal to 4.5 centimeter, this much. Second step, what did we do? Second step was that we made AC and we made BC. AC was 7 and BC was 5.5. So we did it with compass. So you will just write cut arcs AC. AC was 7 centimeter and BC was 5.5 centimeter. So write this sentence. .5 centimeter is the next step. Then the third step. In the third step also we did with compass. So we will just write that what did we do in the third step. We made CD 4 and DA 6. You can see CD is equal to 4 and DA, this was point D, DA is equal to 6. So write, now since we are not drawing, so you will write cut arcs CD is equal to 4 centimeter and DA is equal to 6 centimeter. DA is equal to 6 centimeter. We have drawn this. After that made this and join them. We have made the arc and then we write and we join them. After this, when you join, the figure was made. So in the fourth step, that is in the fourth step, you will write maximum 4 steps or 5 steps. You will write A, B, C, D is the quadrilateral formed. A, B, C, D is the quadrilateral form. That's all. So we will not write long sentence. Wherever we use compass and we are then drawing a line, we will write cut arc. Wherever we are writing using compass and making any angle, there. So here we made the figure. We made this figure by using compass. So the part which we made with compass, like AB was a scale line, BC was with compass, AC was also with compass. This was point C. So AC also with compass. So we will write cut arc AC is equal to 7, BC is equal to 5. After that we have cut arc CD is equal to 4 and AD is equal to 6, and then the figure is complete. I think you have understood that you will write this step. The handwriting is so nice because I am doing it with my finger and therefore the figure is not. So you will write maximum 3, 4 up to 5 sentences for writing the steps.